everyone, it's Alicia here from aliciadejong.com. Today I just want to talk to you about a new little feature that Facebook's rolling out in groups. Okay, so what it's allowing us to do now, it's allowing us to tag popular topics that our posts are revolving around. So this is one of my public groups, Motivational Fitness Woman group. You can see here I've got popular topics in posts, okay? Now, like I'm starting to categorize my posts, so motivation, blog posts, testimonials, weight loss, welcome new members, nutritional cleansing, recipes. So as you can see here, like on this particular one, it's a testimonial post. I can add a tag. So I can see it's testimonials. My members of the group can also see that it's testimonials. So I'll just keep scrolling down, like this one here, it's product related. It's also nutritional cleansing and weight loss. That's in the tags that I've got. So if I click on motivation topic, it brings up everything that's to do with motivation. If I was to go on weight loss, it's going to bring up my posts on weight loss. Same as for members, they can also come in here if they're just particularly interested in some recipes. They can click on recipes and they'll see everything. It's categorized via topics, okay? So I'll show you how you go about doing this. So it's in your discussion, and I'll just scroll down to some that I haven't done. You can see here blog posts, motivation, testimonials and weight loss. Okay, so this one here, it says add topics. So if I go add topics and I put in motivation, I can select it. If I haven't created one yet, you just go create. So I'll try and find one that I can create. Or I'll just make a dummy one up just to show you. I'll just keep going down. Let me just go down a bit further because I was just going through this. Okay, this particular one, add topic, and let's say that this was about health, okay? Then I could go and create health, okay? And I just do it like that. So you'll see it'll come up and then it will start to show up in here. And then you just go save and it'll start to build. So you can see I'm starting to build motivation, blog posts, weight loss, testimonials, just for fun, welcome new member posts, recipes. This one's actually nutritional cleansing, so I won't take the health thing. But the only thing is, there we go. So now save. You can do up to 5 topics for that post and go save. So if you've got a group or you're thinking about creating a group, then definitely have a look at this. I think it's going to really help your group. It's going to help your members to be able to find the right information that they're looking for within your group, because they're going to be able to use these most popular topics in posts, and they can start to search within your group about information that they're specifically looking for, against just using this search bar, and also against having to do the files. Like I've got files in here. I don't know yet if we can create a tag on that. Doesn't look like we can. So, against just using the files or the videos, they can actually just go within the discussion, which is really where everybody goes to basically, and into the feed. Okay, so if you've got a group, I hope this helps you out. Go in and check out this feature. I think it's really going to help our groups grow and to keep more engagement and deliver to people the right information that they're looking for. Okay, bye for now.